Frank Brown is my name. We're sitting in front of a 2013 Cadillac SRX. I think if we look at a lot of vehicles on the road today, it's very difficult to tell one from another. I think when you see an SRX driving down the road, immediately it stands out as a Cadillac. Most of that is because of the angular lines and angular design of the vehicle. There's obviously a lot of thought and engineering going into the design and appearance of them. This model is in its fourth year. There was an engine change 2 years ago, a little bit more power. We put a 3.6 litre V6 in there now, 308 horsepower, develops 265 foot-pounds of torque. Cadillac was actually one of the first vehicles in the world to develop this style of headlight with a high and low beam on the one lens, and it was proving to be quite a difficult thing to do with most manufacturers, but they came up with a simple idea of putting a shutter over the thing which dropped and just covered half the lens for your low beam. It's a simple idea, but it works extremely effectively. On this particular vehicle, you can get the polished aluminum or the bright chrome wheels. The standard wheel is an 18-inch wheel. Optional wheel goes up to 20 inches. We do have lots of options in there that make it, again, a very unique vehicle. Things such as the infotainment center, the Cadillac User Experience. It's quite a system, 8-inch screen in that car actually. Very user-friendly and simple piece of equipment to use. Some manufacturers tend to be a little more complicated, not quite so user-friendly. The other thing that we're very advanced on is the OnStar system. The driver in the vehicle can contact OnStar for almost any reason whatsoever, whether they need help or just simple information. In terms of safety, if you look at StabiliTrak, it's a system that will correct the vehicle if it gets into a skid. Most systems in Cadillac react in about 10 to 15 milliseconds. So before you can think enough or quick enough to tweak the wheel if you start to get into a slide or a skid, the vehicle is doing that for you. The buyer today is far more astute and far more informed, has a lot more information than a buyer would have 10 or 20 years ago. But simply because of that, people know more and they appreciate that this vehicle is what it's purported to be. And probably the main reason why people look at the Cadillac brand. And it has been an institution since the early 1900s. It is a well-known brand and it's known for its reliability and sturdiness.